Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix suspended shop on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open up your browser and go to Etsy official website. Here, scroll all the way down and click on Help Center. After that, search here Etsy Contact Support and then click on How to Contact Etsy Support. Now, click on Contact Support and then here click on Selling on Etsy. After that, click on My Account is Suspended. Here, click on File and Appeal and then click on Very First Line. Now, click on Reach Out to Etsy Support and you will be redirected to this page where you can describe your issue are you facing. In the description, simply type this and click on Send. Etsy will take 2 or 3 days to contact you back and your issue will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix suspended shop on Etsy. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.